There's a good girl. Don't go throwing it on the floor, okay? Hmm? No? Holding my mascara for me? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, she's good, yes. Hmm? Hmm? Really? Oh, I think I put too much colour on. I'm going to look like you in a minute. With a red face. Huh? Yeah, pencil. Hmm? There you go. Can I have that and you can hold the pencil? Can I? There you go. There we go. There's a good girl. You're like a makeup artist, aren't you? Hey! You don't like that? Is that not your colour? You think it doesn't suit me? Huh? Is it too dark, you think? What do you think? Do I look pretty? Do I look pretty? Do I look pretty? Huh? Pretty Kirsty. Huh? Yeah, bosom. Oh yeah. Yeah. Is that pretty? Is that pretty? Do I tickle? Do I tickle? No, I don't want to tickle. I want to tickle. No, I want to tickle. No? I want to tickle. Huh? Oh, smile for the camera. Oh, lipstick. Otherwise I don't look anything like you, do I? I have to have red lips, don't I? Hmm? Got a little bit? No, not your colour. Uh-huh.
That's a different type of lipstick.
Huh?
I thought they came in blocks that you just smudged all over your lips.
Well, there we go, baby. You're biting my nose. You're biting my nose? No, not my nostrils. I've got hairs on my nose. You just want to pluck my eyebrows. Hmm?
Oh.
Baby, oh, he just lovely. Are we happy now? Are you happy? Okay, come on then, we're done.